My beloved Tashkent, let me express my delicate feelings towards you. I love you for your wide space like meadows and narrow streets reminiscent of the happy childhood. For the skyscrapers made of glass and iron, the unique statues, the snow-white patterns of the glorious mosques, and the blue domes of Hastimam, I'd love you. I love you for the years which more than 100 nations and peoples, representatives of different faiths, become one soul and have lived in harmony. My dearest capital city, is there another one in the world that can embody its millennial history with the late achievements of the world like you do? I love you, my dear Tashkent. I love you for your smooth roads that make the far near, for your alluring subway stations, for your bustling markets, for your magnificent museums, and for your unique art. For your warm-hearted people, your unforgettable values, your lush garden and alleys, and for every twig, I love you with all my heart to the moon and back. The heart of our country. It is changing, renewing. Yes, our city isn't perfect, but it is impossible not to love it. If the destiny takes you far away one day, Tashkent will be your sweetest dream. You are my purest love, Tashkent, because my fiery heart has settled in you forever. Be blessed and discover our Tashkent.